Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. My name is Nurjana binti Ibrahim and I'm from Faculty of Bioengineering and Technology at University Malaysia Kelantan. And today I will be presenting our research on developing biodegradable biofilm from pineapple waste and banana trunk waste. So, plastic pollution threatens ecosystem worldwide. This study repurposed pineapple waste and banana trunk waste into biodegradable biofilm, offering a sustainable alternative to plastic with enhanced strength, water resistance, and biodegradability for packaging and other eco-friendly applications. This project aims to offer a sustainable alternative to conventional plastic while reducing environmental pollution. Next, use and application. This biofilm has strong potential in packaging, agriculture, and even paper-based products. While our research is still ongoing, optimization and validation will pave the way for commercialization. By using pineapple waste and banana trunk waste, transforming agro waste into valuable biodegradable material. This research objective is to develop biodegradable biofilm from pineapple and banana waste to replace conventional plastic while reducing environmental pollution. Next, the implementation level. Since this biofilm is still under research, the focus should remain on the material development, optimization, and validation before moving to the commercialization. So, as you can see in the flowchart, first we need to properly select our raw material before going through the processing and treatment. Next, the biofilm formulation. Then it will go through the characterization and testing, performance assessment, and we can know the potential of the application of the biofilm. Novelty and effectiveness. This biofilm stands out by repurposing pineapple waste and banana trunk waste, enhancing the strength, flexibility, and biodegradability beyond conventional plastic. Unlike starch-based alternatives, it optimizes the formulation, support waste valorization, and align with circular economy principle, and offering a sustainable plastic replacement. Commercial potential. This biofilm offers a strong commercial potential, replacing in packaging and agriculture. This is ongoing research, optimization, and publishing report aims to enhance the scalability, market feasibility, and industrial adoption for sustainable application. In conclusion, incorporating waste into biodegradable material helps tackle environmental challenges. Our research is a step towards sustainable solution that align with the global sustainability effort. So that's all for me.